Articles are the subclass of determiners which determine or specify the nouns that follow. Articles are used before nouns or adjectives. In English, a, an, and the are the articles. Of these, a and an are called indefinite articles because they do not specify a particular person, place, or thing. Example: a man, a letter, an Englishman, an old lady. The is called the definite article because it refers to a particular person or thing. For example, the Indian Prime Minister, the redback. The usage of a and an. The article a is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a student, a tree, a university, a 1 rupee coin. The article an is used before words beginning with a vowel sounds. For example, an emperor, an hour. A is used before a singular countable noun. For example, my father gave me a gift. My friend owns a car. A is used before singular countable noun used as an example of a class. For example, a temple is a holy place. An engineer builds a house. The indefinite article is used before nouns of professions. For example, I am a doctor. My husband is an engineer. Next usage, the indefinite article is used before few and little to mean a small number and small quantity. She has a few more pages to read. There is a little water in the pot. The indefinite article is used in exclamation before singular countable nouns. For example, what a lovely day. They are used before numerical expressions. For example, 100, a dozen, and eighth place. They are used in expressions of speed, price, etc. Example: 6 times a day, rupees 30 an hour. Now we are going to discuss about the definite article. The definite article the is the same for singular and plural noun. For example, the man, the men, the country, the countries. It is used before a noun made specific. I saw a boy. The boy was standing under a tree. Before a noun made specific by the addition of an adjectival class or phrase. Example: the girl who is short is my sister. Before some common nouns. Example: my mother is in the clinic. Before superlative degree. America is the richest country. Before the names of animals to represent a class. Example: the tiger is a threatening animal. Before the names of rivers, mountains, seas. Example: the Ganges, the Himalayas, the Arabian Sea. Before east, west, south, and north when they are used as nouns. Example, Mohan is popular in the south. Before names of musical instruments. He plays the guitar well. We can discuss a lot of times the usage of the article. Now we are going to discuss about zero article, when no article is used. Before an abstract noun. Example, beauty is skin deep. Before material noun, gold is costly. Here we have to be note down, article is not omitted when the noun is specific. Sometimes when the noun is specific, we can use that definite article. Example, the gold found in Kerala gold mine is costlier. Before the names of nations, India, Japan, China. Before the names of island, Sri Lanka. Before the names of magazine, I am reading Kumudam. Before the names of festival days, Christmas, College Day, UN Day. Before man and woman, while they represent humanity when used in general sense. Man is mortal. Before the names of meals like tea, breakfast, lunch and dinner. I had lunch. Here we have to be note down, article is not omitted when lunch, dinner or specified. Example, the lunch I had yesterday was not good. Before the mode of traveling. He went by bicycle. When it is specified, we can use the article the. He went by the Vaigai Express. That's all. Thank you.